Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Cook With Me video. In today's video, the holidays are coming and I have a very low point, low calorie dessert for you that is going to be great to have on Thanksgiving. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW program, but I also provide calories in addition to points. But with that being said, you don't need to be on any type of weight loss program to get tips and ideas from my channel. So the holidays are coming, Thanksgiving is coming. I've already started making my list for Thanksgiving, trying to kind of keep myself somewhat on track. So I recently shared a pumpkin dessert video. So let me know in the comments what your favorite dessert is for Thanksgiving. Do you have a favorite pie? Do you have some other dessert that you make? So typically when I think of Thanksgiving desserts, my family has just always made pies. And it's usually a pumpkin pie, it's usually apple pie, maybe chocolate pudding pie, and pecan pie. My absolute favorite is pecan pie. Pecan, however you say it. That is my favorite. I just don't like how many points and calories that one is. So when I came across this recipe from Emily Bites blog for pecan pie bites, I was so excited. I think these are what I'm gonna make for Thanksgiving. I've never made these before, so you're gonna come with me as I make them for the first time and as I try them. The way that I'm doing it with the modifications, these are only gonna be 1 point each, or 35 calories. So very excited and hoping that I like these and they can go on my Thanksgiving table. So let's get making the pecan pie bites. All right, so like I said, we're making pecan pie bites. This is a recipe from Emily Bites. For this one, the way that she makes them, they are 2 points on all programs or 58 calories. The way that I'm making them with the modifications, they're going to be 1 point on all programs and 35 calories. If you have 2 of them, it does have the funny math where if you have 2, it becomes 3 points. If you have 3, it becomes 4 points. So let me go through what we need and I'll share with you what the modifications are that I'm doing. So first we need a box of these phyllo shells. So there are 15 in here. They're just the mini ones. And then we need a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, which I just have pecan halves, so I'll chop them up myself. And then this is where the modifications come in. A 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. I'm going to be using, well, I have Lakanto, but I'm actually out of Lakanto, so I'm going to be using Swerve brown sugar. So I have a 1/4 cup of packed Swerve brown sugar. So that's 0 point brown sugar. So any type of 0 point sweetener will help you on these points. The other thing, I don't know if this one really made a difference, but she has 2 tablespoons, half and half. So the half and half I'm using says fat-free half and half. Not sure if that makes a difference in the points. Also, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. That's all that goes in here. So I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to take a baking sheet and line it with aluminum foil. I'm just going to use these foil sheets. So I'm just going to open the shells and put those on the foil. And these I just took out of my freezer. They say to keep them in your freezer. And they say that these are actually already baked, so you could just add stuff to them. But it says if you have a recipe that they need to be baked, then go ahead and bake them in it. Okay, then set that aside. So now what I'm going to do is take the pecans and just put them in a sandwich bag. And I'm going to just crush them up right in there. All right, so I chopped them up pretty good. Since those shells are really small, I want to make sure that these are chopped real well. So let's see what we've got here. So that was almost perfect. I don't want to overdo it because these will increase the points. So now we're going to just mix everything in the bowl. So the 1/2 cup of pecans. There's one that's not even crushed up yet. The 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And again, packed brown sugar. Mine's so packed it won't come out. the 2 tablespoons of half and half. The half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt. Then just mix that all together. So just make sure that's mixed real well so you don't have any clumps of the brown sugar. So now take the shells and just put the mixture right into each of the shells. Okay, so now just kind of go through, make sure you got even amounts on each one. All right, so now these are going in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes, just until the edges of the shell start to turn golden and the filling is heated through. So I've had them in for 11 minutes, and as you can see, the edges are browning. So I went ahead and took them out. So I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit and then I'm gonna try them. All right, time to try these. I have to tell you, these will satisfy my craving for pecan pie at Thanksgiving. I think what I would do, one will definitely not be enough. So I'll definitely want more than one. So 2 of them is 3 points, and then you can have 3 of them for 4 points. So my plans for Thanksgiving are to have 3 of these for the 4 points. I think that will definitely cure my craving for the pecan pie and save me a lot of points and calories in the meantime. Now, I can't say that they taste exactly like pecan pie, obviously, because it doesn't have all that syrup in there. But these are definitely something that would take that craving away. And the best thing about it, these are so easy to throw together. You can make these any time of year, really. So these are really good. I'm really impressed with these. So let me know if you end up trying these and if you like them. All right, y'all know what I got to do, right? It's a little fat-free Ready Whip, which for that little bit, it's going to be 0 points. Now that is going to be good. Oh yeah, that takes it to a whole new level. Yeah, very impressed with these. So again, let me know in the comments what your favorite Thanksgiving dessert is. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're new and you like videos like this, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy. Don't you know that you're beautiful?